Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ralph's app. First, download the free Ralph's app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and either create a new account or link your existing shopper's card. This connects your loyalty program to the app. Remember to enable location services. This helps the app show you relevant deals and store information for your preferred Ralph's location, making your shopping experience much smoother from the start. Now let's find some savings. The Ralph's app makes it easy to save money. You can browse the weekly ad to see all the current sales and promotions available at your store. Don't forget to load digital coupons directly to your shopper's card with just a tap. They'll apply automatically at checkout. Plus, the app provides personalized offers tailored to your shopping history, helping you save on items you frequently buy. It's like having a personal savings assistant. Creating a smart shopping list is simple with the Ralph's app. You can add items directly from the weekly ad, your past purchases, or by searching for specific products. The app helps you organize your list, often by aisle, which saves you time once you're in the store. Before you even leave home, you can check item availability at your preferred Ralph's location, ensuring you won't make a trip for an out-of-stock item. This feature truly streamlines your grocery run. Beyond in-store shopping, the Ralph's app offers great convenience. You can easily schedule grocery pickup at your local store or arrange for home delivery, saving you valuable time. The app also lets you track your fuel points and redeem your rewards directly, helping you save at the pump. Furthermore, you can access your digital receipt history for all your purchases, making returns or budgeting much simpler. It's a comprehensive tool for all your grocery needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.